coat, blazers, and jackets. How we wish we can pull this off without sweating all day. Pero because we live in a tropical country, sometimes it's uncomfortable and inconvenient to wear garments over other garments. So most of the time, we settle for simple outfits. Pero ngayon na Burr months na at lumalamig na ng pakonti-konti ang panahon, may chance na tayo to dress in layers. Although hindi pa rin advisable ang makakapal na jackets, there are tips and tricks to play with fashionable layers. Think lightweight. The key to pulling off layers in warm weather is the material of your clothing. As a general rule, ang best material para sa mga damit that are worn in warm places are natural, such as cotton or linen. So how can you tell if your clothes are made from these materials? Easy! Such materials are breathable, which will allow for heat and moist air to escape. Consider the colors. Isa rin sa mga considerations when dressing up in layers, colors. Have you ever noticed na kapag nagpapatuyo tayo ng damit, mas mabilis natutuyo yung mga darker colors kaysa sa lighter colors like white? It's because dark colors tend to absorb more heat than the lighter ones, which reflect light. Best to choose pieces that are lighter in color like pink, beige, yellow, white, or baby blue. Go with loose pieces. Dahil mainit sa paligid natin, ayaw natin na mag-stick masyado ang damit natin sa atin. So when layering, choose loose pieces like sheer kimono jackets. Because they are lightweight, parang hindi mo mafe-feel na suot mo ito. But they make any outfit look Coachella ready. Pwede mo rin subukan ang mga shorter alls. Hindi sila masyadong tight at hindi rin naman sila masyadong loose. And because they are essentially shorts, hindi sila maalinsangan sa pakiramdam. Layering fashion pieces doesn't require heavy jackets or thick fabrics. Kailangan mo lang maging creative to mix and match lightweight pieces that will make you look good and feel good even in this warm weather. These days, because we are at home most of the time, we almost never use our footwear anymore. Heels, sneakers, boots, or sandals. Ngayong hindi natin sila masyadong ginagamit, hindi naman ibig sabihin hindi na natin sila papansinin. At some point in the future, susuotin pa rin natin sila ulit. So how do we take care of our shoes kahit na hindi natin sila ginagamit? But first, ask yourself, do you really need that many shoes? If your answer is no, baka naman dapat mo nang i-consider na ibenta o i-donate ang ilan sa mga tingin mo na hindi na gagamitin ulit. Bago mo i-store mga shoes or heels mo, siguraduhin mong malinis ang mga ito. Pagpagin mo muna mga flats like sneakers para matanggal ang alikabok at ibang dumi. Then, gently wipe the surface of your shoes. Para naman sa soles, gumamit ng toothbrush or scrub para matanggal ang dumi. For the leather, apply some leather shoe conditioner. Pagkatapos nito, let your shoes dry at room temperature. Next, organize them by the type of footwear. Fancy high heels, for example, should be kept inside a dust bag and placed on a rack. Pero dapat paminsan-minsan ay inilalabas din ang mga ito. You can keep your sneakers in shoe baskets or clear plastic boxes na may air vents to allow for air circulation. Para naman sa mga sandals, pwede mo silang isabit. For the slippers, shoe pockets will do the job. When figuring out where to store your shoes, the first things to remember are to keep them away from moisture. Moisture can result in bacterial growth and molds. High-quality shoes that will last for years are an investment. Pero dapat mag-invest din tayo ng time para alagaan ang mga ito. When we return, let's learn how to live better by living with less. Don't go away as we take you beyond style.